That man told from his heart. He told the truth. The truth was told today in the court by Todd. He was amazing. Amazing. He told his story, how simple it was, how he had come just that night before. Oh my goodness. I mean, seriously, I wish I could just tell the whole, I mean.
Well, do. Tell the whole, yeah.
I just don't even know how to put it in words.
You got 500 people watching right now. Tell the whole.
Seriously, America, if the truth can be told as Todd has told it, as we all have been praying for, there is no guilt in these great men and women that stood. There is no guilt. They were there as American citizens standing for what was right. And Todd told us. He just said, how could we stand back when we see a grandmother be knocked to the ground? How could we stand back when we don't even know these people and see that our First Amendment area, this little fenced-in area? He said, how could we stand back when Davy was knocked down and arrested for taking pictures? How could we stand back when Ammon was tased? He says, those are the 4 things we come for. We knew nobody. We stood as people should in America. Come on. I mean, he was just, I'm so thankful. I am so thankful because that has been my prayer and all of yours is that truth will be told. Truth was told.
Who's up next? Stephen's lawyer went too, and he did really, really good too. But Todd just, he did it. He did it. He told the story, and it was humble, and it was simple, and he did step by step what he was thinking, why he came, everything was just.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
I went down to Bunkerville to protect my civil rights and yours, and he said that is the reason I went, and that's how it ended. And it was. I actually seen some tears in some of the jurors' eyes, and I mean, was so strong, and he was just so humble and just.
He was
beautiful. It was.
He had our Heavenly Father's Spirit within him.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
It's been a wonderful day so far. Are you excited? But why did Eric not?
Eric decided to not because he's going to do it after the government does their whole case. He's going to have an opening right before the defense where he explains it. And some of the things I want to bring up, let's talk about some injustices. In there, they showed the picture of the 5 guys, and they left that on the screen the entire time.
Probably for a good 45 minutes.
The entire time that they were talking, the 30 minutes or whatever, they had their picture up there. You know, they went through their slideshow, and they ended with that picture, and that stayed up there the entire time they were talking. Todd, or Stephen Stewart's lawyer, had that first, he had a few things. First, they stricken one of Steve's videos. They said, no, you can't play it. That, before the jury came in. Then, as he's doing, and this is the marshals. The marshals have the computer, and they're clicking through his little slideshow, and the end picture on his slideshow was the First Amendment area. And they got that up there, and they took it down within a minute.
Oh, wow. You can see the injustice.
They left the picture, the computer screen blank the entire time he was talking. But the time the government was talking, they had the picture of those guys with their guns, all 6 of them, cut up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all on that screen the entire time. But it would not leave that amendment area picture up for the time they talked. And that's an injustice.
That's bias. That is so biased.
Yeah, like I said, the government was just, I mean, lie. But, yeah, I wondered why,
I was so frustrated after that.
Yeah. Well, and I was writing notes, you know, so much that I didn't really notice, but I did notice the boy that's flipping through these guys, you know, where the government, and they wanted that picture to be in the jury's face, you know, eyes and memories. where. But you know what? I think Todd just slapped it all down. Is how I feel.
You know, that's what they did up there in Oregon. They paraded all those guns out there, and those guns were plants. I was there. There for a full month. I did not see one Woodstock SKS in 1 month. Those were all planted guns.
Well, now, according to Gary Hunt, the one guy that was running the whole shebang was an informant. He was trying to press everybody into the gun thing.
But that's what I mean, if you're in there, you see the terrible lies, the injustice, the things that they zone in on, you know, the government. But then you guys to see a man stand up there, be his own lawyer, and simply tell the truth of American citizen that will stand firm on our rights. I mean, I was so impressed. I was, and I'm so thankful.
His truth brought the light. His truth brought light into the courtroom. It didn't. You could tell the evil and the darkness and the bias, but as soon as he started speaking truth, there was light.
That is fantastic.
And
that's what we felt. And like I said, I'm sure you felt a different because you've seen the injustice. But
I live the injustice.
Right, you do. You live it every day, And so that evilness is just so abound. It is. But I was worried. I was worried about Eric. I thought, why? Why is it? But that's
told us last night it's because, you know, they're going to forget a lot of the opening statements after the government comes out with their case for weeks, and that's when he's going to stand up and tell his story.
Yeah, well, and that's awesome.
We need a little refresher before we go.
Right,
you know, we need a little clearing of the clouds that the government is going to put over it, because they sure have a way of spinning the truth.
It's an art form with them. It's an art form.
They have it down to an art.
They do.
Yes, they
all
do.
lies.
Yeah.
All lies.
Down to an art.
It is maddening. It's absolutely maddening.
To hold you're together while they're spewing those lies is just, I can only imagine. I mean, because, you know,
and you got to sit through that, and you got to listen to that garbage.
And you can't rule it or.
I know you can't. No expression. No, nothing. Throw you out.
Todd told the truth, and it made the government look who they are.
Oh, why did you say that one more time? When I was recording, you didn't say it.
I said,
stop. Wait.
I said, Todd told the truth that brought the light, like Terry said, back into the courtroom, and it really did make the government look stupid and evil.
That was Todd Engel.
Oh, it did.
Todd Engel. Yeah.
He crushed them.
He did.
He crushed all those lies. He was so believable. I wish I knew more
believable. He just crushed all the government's lies.
Well, and he was there. You know,
they pointed guns
at
the protesters first. That's who pointed the guns. As Carol said.
Okay.
Well, we didn't point any guns, but we had about 200 guns pointed on us.
On the TV, he said,
and that is the truth, and the evidence will show that.
And I didn't know nothing about ranching. I didn't know nothing about
I did not know about Dan Love telling these people to stand down. They didn't stand down.
He didn't know what the BLM was.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
That but he said the first thing is when he seen Davey not getting arrested, and then of course Margaret slammed down by a BLM agent from the back, a grandmother, you know.
And then Ammon getting tased.
And then Ammon getting tased, and then that picture of that First Amendment zone. Yeah. How dare they put us in a little cage saying that's the only place we can talk.
Where's that sign?
Right there.
But he
hey, Greg.
Greg got it.
Bring that sign back up here, would you, please? Yes, sir. And I want everybody to see what she's talking
and,
about.
You know, I think what the American people need to look, this sign. What does this mean to you? Does this mean that you can only be in a little fenced area to have your views, your rights?
Yeah.
Absolutely not. As an American, this means that we have the right to free speech.
Yep.
It's our right to stand for what we believe in. But to the government, this means that we can put you in a little cage and you're not supposed to get out of it until anybody else next to you.
Well, once you lose the First Amendment right, you lose everything.
If I may take that a step further, I'm a veteran, Skipper's a veteran, I'm a combat veteran, Skipper's a veteran, David is. We all took an oath to the Constitution. Same as all these oath peoples up here, all these DHS, Metro, state, federal, they took an oath to the Constitution. The Constitution goes from border to border, from coast to coast. Once again, I was interviewed Review Journal. I didn't come up for the Bundys, the rich, quote-unquote, landowner barons. I came up because of this sign. I'm coming on the oath to the Constitution. That oath never expires.
Right.
Unlike them, this is the Constitution right here.
And this is what impresses me. That it's men like you and women like you that come because of this.
Yeah.
You know what? I mean, it recognizes it. It clarifies to me in my mind that, I mean, there is good American people here that are everyday people. We work for our living. We, you know, we take care of our children. We take care of our properties. We take care of our lands, and we enjoy being free. We're not going to be caged.
And how shameful is it when people see something like that and are afraid to even speak up? You know.
If I may,
go ahead.
I was the Ted Cruz chairperson. I had this at our headquarters. I like our Attorney General of Nevada, Adam Laxalt.
Adam Laxalt, yeah.
He would not take a picture with them.
Excuse me, there is a message for you.
Political.
Too political.
He's a Navy matters. He's a lieutenant general. This one government too political.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. I got one word. Wow.
I got another word, but I don't dare say it on.
Everybody knows my voice carries.
I don't dare say it on. I've already gotten in enough trouble. I don't want to get in it.
On the videos, you can hear me in the background. There's a reason. Freedom! Freedom! Thank you, everybody.
Okay, thanks for being
Where is everybody? All the 3%ers, all the I got your 6, I got your back, we stand, monologue. Well, we got right here, came from.
Here's one.
Oh, there's one.
Absolutely, and we applaud him.
Give us a fist pump there, Ted. There we go.
Red, where's everybody else? We all have jobs. We know that. We all have jobs. I'm the 100% disabled veteran. We have other things. We all have. Everybody has an excuse.
Yeah.
Marty Docker, he stole his tractor trailer from across the country to stand. Everybody gave pennies. They got Stephen Brooks. I paid him to get back on a bus. Everybody gave. Everybody's got an excuse.
Ted, can you pull that so Jonathan?
Nice flag.
I mean, that's the Marshall Scarface. We need to find out I just wanted that whole time after that. I just wanted to go there and be like,
Well, it's a Tea Party.
Right.
Couple guys dressed in Indian. Stand up.
But Todd destroyed all their lives.
Stand up.
you know what?
I said I was going to Review Journal. I said, where is everybody? Everybody said, well,
So as you can see, we got some good news today, you know, some good testimony so far for the opening arguments. But as you can see, yeah, we need some people out here. We only got a handful of people. You know, there's still some upstairs, but we need to use some more support, and especially since this is the opening arguments, and you know, just help spread the word, share our videos, and get the information out there, you know, what's going on, to help spread the truth. And if you can be here, please be here. If not, share our videos. There's plenty of people out here, you know, doing live stream videos, and so just, you know, keep sharing. And as we keep updating, Josh Martinez is supposed to be, he saw the judge and the public pretender, not public defender, would not let him speak, and so he's going to end up posting bail. His dad's working on that right now, and so hopefully they'll let him out sometime today. And where are you guys going? What? So keep you updated on that as well, and hopefully we get some more answers on that, and then hopefully we'll get another good report after this break is over. And so stay tuned, and you know, keep doing what you're doing. Love you guys. All right. So again, we had another person donate pizza today, as you can see right here.
We're gonna have to wait for your briefing until after the pizza.
And this person doesn't want their name out there, but we're saying thank you anyway.
Well, thank you
so
thank you
very much. Thank you for the pizza. Everybody say thank you.
Did you say he was from Michigan?
This person is anonymous. Not this person.
Thank you.
So,
anonymous. So maybe it was Obama.
no, I know this person personally.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah. So we're doing good. John Lamb is going to go live here in a little bit, so we will give you an update on that. So right now we're going to stuff our face with some pizza for the time being until John's ready to give the final update for today. There is no more court today, and so we got the town hall meeting tonight in Mesquite at 5, and there's several of us that are going to that town hall meting tonight, and we will give updates for that as well. So thank you again for the pizza. We appreciate it.
Oh my God, I just stepped on somebody's glass.
Uh-oh. So, so thanks again.
I just gave one to Danette, man.
Look at that. Look at that pizza.
Thank you.
I missed the step. That's what I wanted.
He missed a step.
Hey, what's going on Facebook? So, just want to give you one more quick update. You know, we all left the federal building. I'm still parked right now, and I can see the federal building from where I'm at right now. As we were leaving, me, Doug Knowles, and David Fleeman, and we were like picking up whatever remaining trash there was, and a couple of cigarette butts and everything. And one of the FPS agents that you know, works for Department of Homeland Security came down, shook her hand, and just said, you know, he was amazed, you know, by like every single day we make sure we pick up our trash, make sure, you know, everything's clean and good to go, and they were just, you know, wanted to tell us that they were amazed at what we did and everything, and thanked us, you know, for, you know, showing forth a good character. And, you know, because that's what we want to do. We want to show a good character, you know, with our stance. And that's, you know, we're not like any of these rioters out and about that are just destroying stuff. And so, you know, it put a smile on my face when he said thank you, you know, for doing that. You know, we weren't looking for thanks, but it's cool that they were watching and recognized, you know, what we were doing, and that it put an impact on them. And, you know, so things like that matter. And so I just want to give you that little update on that. And again, if you're in the area in Southern Nevada, come to Mesquite, Nevada. It's like an hour north of Las Vegas. Come to the town hall meeting at the City Hall at 5 p.m. BLM is going to do an open question and answer session talking about their role with the Gold Butte Monument. So be there or be square. And that's it for now. I'm leaving Las Vegas, going to go back up to the ranch, and hopefully I can take a nap. I'm tired, so a nap sounds really good. And don't forget, tacos are life. All right, peace!